Okay, today we got a couple more new products. I ordered these some time ago. They came in and they've been sitting on my workbench, one of my workbenches, and we're going to be using them on the 47 Pontiac. We're making parts and pieces, so it's time to get them open because we're starting that. There's going to be a lot of videos coming up next year for that 47 Pontiac. Okay. Box within a box within a box. These are the handles. Set them over here. A couple of Allen wrenches we'll probably need to assemble it. Put them in there. And voila. In case you don't know what that is, this one's a shrinker or a stretcher. This one's a shrinker. So the arrow is facing in. That's shrinking. That would make this one a stretcher. We're going to build a stand for these and bolt it to the floor at some point. But we're going to have them to make some of these parts and pieces for this Pontiac. So I went ahead and splurged and got them. That's the stretcher. I've only ever had the opportunity to use these, a set of these one time before. And it was a long time ago. When, back when I was doing a lot of stuff, but didn't know the video ended. I didn't see any assembly instructions in there, but I pretty much got the gist. They're pretty straightforward. Plan to get a couple of other tools at some point, and when I do, we'll make some different handles for this and make a foot pedal for it. That's my ultimate plan. So these are a little deeper than the cheap ones you can get. These are still a cheaper set. I want to say these were 200 bucks, or they might have been 250. I don't remember. But the throat is larger. So on the cheap set, the cheapest set you can get, the throat's only like 1.25 inches. So that means you can only get 1.25 inches of metal in there. But these are, I don't know, 3.5, I think. Yeah, basically 3.5 inch throat. Which means you can shrink or stretch 3.5 inches in. So if you're making a rocker panel or something like that that has a curve on it, this will allow you to get in roughly 3 inches You have to be careful about what you do, because you want to be able to get out of the dies when they're working. So we'll make a plate where we can bolt these up. We'll get the bolts, make us a plate, make a little stand where we can work these from either angle. Eventually, like I said, I'll make these a foot pedal where you step on it to squeeze, which will either grab it and pull the metal or grab it and squeeze the metal with the jaws. So, shrinker, stretcher. So I laid out an X on here. I don't know if you can see them or not. Kind of hard to see because they're black. But these are going to be the holes for the bracket. I did it with a piece of C-channel so I can just clamp it in the vise until I get time to build a stand where we can use it, you know, or find a permanent home. But this way I can move it out of the way and put it in the cabinet or something when I'm not using it. This is standard old run-of-the-mill clip punch, center punch.